What's up guys, this is Kevin the Tech Ninja. In today's video, we're taking a quick look at two portable mini cinema projectors from BenQ. If you don't know, BenQ has been a leader in tech when it comes to projectors, monitors, and accessories. Now BenQ did sponsor in this video, but all opinions and ideas and thoughts are my own. Let's get into it. Hey guys, if you like technology content, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It is free and it lets me know what you guys want to see. Projectors are one of those items that if you don't know what you're getting into, you could easily make a wrong decision, and that impacts everything. BenQ has two new projectors, and depending on what your needs are, this video will help you make that purchasing decision. Just like anything, when you're looking at specs, they don't tell the full story. For example, you could buy a 4K projector on Amazon for only a few $100s, but the quality of bulb, brightness, and even processor in the projector will impact viewing more than you think. BenQ projectors do cost a bit more than others that you may see online. However, that's for good reason, as BenQ projectors are brighter than most, and these two projectors today I'm covering, they have a 98% REC.709 picture quality. And this means the quality of the image is how the movie studios intend it to look within a 98 percentile. Now that we have that out of the way, we're gonna dive into the GV30 and the GS50. Both are high quality projectors that are made to serve different needs. The GV30 is a small portable projector and it looks like a Bluetooth speaker. It comes with a stand and a power source, and this stand allows you to adjust the projector so it's casting at the right angle. This projector is actually a portable projector, meaning it has a built-in battery. You can get up to 2.5 hours on a single charge. That's enough to watch most movies. It's also drop proof up to 2.5 feet. It has a cool looking strap that makes it easy to carry or attach something to it. There are also physical buttons on top, one HDMI, USB-A, and a USB-C port. Built in, it has a 2.1 channel sound system, but if you want to step it up a bit, it has Bluetooth, so you can connect to that sound bar, or another speaker, or even a sound system. Even if you don't want to connect it to a system, I think it has decent sound for the size. It's 8-watt bass and 8-watt speaker. This projector has a 720p image with autofocus and auto keystone, meaning you don't need to take time to calibrate this projector every time you want to use it like some projectors. It sports 300 ANSI lumens, and you can cast it outside at night or in a dark room. Then we flip over to the GS50. There are some similarities between the two. The GS50 is more of a high-end projector that features the same drop protection and battery life. But the GS50 comes with IPX2 splash protection and an upgraded speaker set with 10-watt bass and a 10-watt speaker system. It has the same autofocus and keystoning, but it does allow for 15 degrees of tilt with the included stand. It's a 1080p image with HDR10, and it's 500 ANSI lumens. And with that many lumens, you can watch this at night without a problem at all. With it being portable and the ability to adjust the tilt, this projector is ideal for someone who wants to take it on the go, but may not have a proper setup. Now, typically when I use a projector, I have a whole setup. It's really nice. But I wanted to take it outside to test it, and I cast it on the side of my house, or you can use a portable screen. Now, when that happens, you take it outside, using the speaker becomes much more convenient. You don't have to lug around extra stuff. The GV30 has a decent setup, which is good enough for a few people. However, if you want to entertain more people, I do suggest the GS50 with the thumping subwoofer to fill most rooms or environments. Now, both projectors come with an Android TV stick, which gives you access to thousands of apps, movies, and TV shows. They both feature auto brightness for day or night, keeping the viewing at a comfortable level. You do have HDMI ports on both devices and also USB-C for added connectivity. There's also a remote that gives you full control over your projectors and access to Google Assistant. And this stick is installed within the casing, so you still have a seamless experience and you're not losing a port. Another cool feature that I found is that these both can work as just Bluetooth speakers, so when you're done watching movies, you can still keep the party going by listening to music. The GV30's small form factor makes it convenient to pop up and watch a few TV shows or a movie. The picture quality is pretty solid, giving you accurate colors, smooth motions, and enough brightness in most conditions. The GS50 is the powerhouse out of the two. The speakers allows for fantastic sound everywhere you go, and it's also portable. The included stands allows for portability and adjustments on the fly. And it being 500 ASIN lumens, well, you know you'll have a bright video even in non-ideal situations. The GV30 will set you back $599 retail, and the GS50 is $799. If you're ready to take your projector game on the go and still have a great experience, These are two fantastic options you should check out. I'm Kevin the Tech Ninja. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Have a great day and talk to you folks later. Peace.